life itself is challenging. Okay. Those late night readings, complex lessons, and a constant striving for understanding. But two things, no, may dalawang bagay that kept him going. Number one, okay, meron ba kayo dyan notebook at saka ball pen? Kasi mamaya magpapaquiz ako. Huh? Bakit ganon? Kayo ba ang nasusunod, hindi teacher? Okay, number one, everybody say discipline. Discipline. Okay, what is discipline? What is discipline? That is the inner fire that pushed him to do what was right, even when it was tough. Okay, discipline. And the second one is grit. Everybody say grit. Grit. Ano naman ang grit? Grit is that never give up spirit, that resilience in our heart that help us stand tall even when things felt difficult. So ulitin natin, ano yung nakatulong kay Mark para maging matagumpay? Number one, discipline. And the second one is grit. Ano yung tawag natin doon sa inner fire that keeps us moving? Discipline. What about the never give up spirit? Siyempre, dalawa lang pagpipilian. Kaya, mabilis ninyo ang nasagot yun. Okay. So, para ito rin ito, it wasn't just luck that made him do well. It was doing a little bit of work every single day. So, hard work is also a key factor. And because he worked so hard, he took a big test. Yan. Para siya ay maging isang ganap na guro. And because he studied so much, nag-prepare siya, nag-review siya, he didn't just pass. Okay. Kayo ba, kontento na kayo kapag pasado kayo sa mga exams? O yung iba, kontento na. Pero yung iba, mas gusto na meron silang higher score or higher grade. Okay. So, Mark didn't just pass. Out of tens of thousands of test takers, he emerged as one of the best in the whole country. And this wasn't just a personal victory, it was a testament to the power of believing in oneself and the rewards of relentless dedication. Okay, pero hindi doon nagtatapos sa kanyang storya. Today, he stands as a dedicated faculty member of a prestigious university right here in our province. He now dedicates his time and expertise to nurturing the next generation of educators, guiding them, inspiring them, much like his own teachers or mentors once did for him. Moreover, his influence extends far beyond the walls of classroom. Nagtuturo rin siya across the Philippines. He's playing a vital role in ensuring that the future custodians of knowledge are well-equipped and passionate about their calling. So this young man is a living testament to what dedication, resilience, and a clear vision can achieve. Para sa bawat isa sa inyo na nakaupo ngayon, siya ay isang simbolo ng pag-asa at pwede ninyong maging inspirasyon. So, how does my story, in a way, connect with our theme? Paano natin ipapasok itong unity